What's up, guys? Here we have the Maonocaster G1 Neo gaming audio mixer interface. That's right. This is a little podcast in a mini box from the internet's global #1 selling microphone company, right? Is that what it says? Global best selling internet microphone. Yeah. So this company has this little interface right here that I'm really hoping is going to do a nice job at actually replacing what I'm currently using in my room, which is the actual Rodecaster Pro 2, which is great for when you're doing things like a podcast, which is what I plan to do in the other room. But for this room, I need a single interface that's just going to run one microphone, and I need it to do some noise reduction because I don't want to have, obviously, a lot of noise if people are going to be listening to me. So my goal is to, find something that can actually cover all of those things. So today we're going to go ahead and just open up this and try out all the features. That way you can hear it for yourself. And of course, we're going to go from comparing it to what we hear right now, which is the Rodecaster Pro 2, to hearing this device and see if we can tell, very fine-tuned little differences. And of course, I want to make sure all the features of this are shown off in this video because it is a new device and it just came out recently. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Amazon page where I got it right now. If we take a look up there, you can see this device. I just purchased it less than 2 weeks ago, and it's already got 4 ratings in the store. If I look at those ratings, I can see that people seem to be pretty happy with it. But let's take a look right here. It's got, as we said, enhancing your voice with the preamp. It has a 48-volt phantom power, which is something that you really do need if you're going to have like a condenser microphone. Of course, if you are using something like a cloud lifter, you need phantom power to power those things. But with my Shure SM7B, I definitely need something with a lot of gain because this microphone requires a lot of power, right? And one nice thing I did notice in here is when I was looking through the stuff, it said right here, it uses the Maono microphones as well as the Shure SM7B or even DB it'll work with, which is pretty cool. And I do actually have a Maono microphone I'm planning to use here as well when we get further along. So it's got customizable sound pads, 1-key mute, and of course Bluetooth audio input. So if you want to hook up your cell phone or some other kind of source to it, it's going to be really good with that, which I thought was pretty cool. And I do plan to use that from time to time. So let's go ahead and just actually take a look at the device ourselves, get away from Amazon here. But before we do that, yeah, people said, so far, game changer for someone who recently joined the gaming world. I wanted a good audio mixer for my live stream and also something I can use my other social media streaming platforms. Okay, so it looks like it was easy to use, and this person gave it 5 stars. Another easy to use, gets the job done. Okay, from a few people who got it for free. So, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing right now. All right, let's go. Let's jump into it. There's like a whole introduction letter here. Let me take this opportunity to share the wonderful world of Maono with you. Since our inception in 2014, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interface. That's it right there. And let's take a look at the box. That's it. Super, super small, right? Super easy. That's just it. We wanted something with a nice, easy footprint. Already we can see it's got a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom, which is pretty cool. It means you can sit there and mount it on all kinds of different things, right? Nice and easy. This is ready to go. It takes a power input of 5 volts at 1.0 amps. So that's nice and easy to do. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the gaming interface. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get it set up right now. And let's bring this camera a little closer over here. Okay, let's do that. Hello. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Hello.
What? Oh my gosh. Can you guys hear me right now? What? This is crazy. Oh my god. What is happening right now?
Mail. Mail. That's right. It said mail. Mail. You want some mail? You've got mail. That's right. You've got mail.
Baby? That's not really baby, is it? Hit me, baby, one more time. Okay, yeah.
So we've got the voice changer thing going on here. And we can tell that we can really get close with this one. So, okay, so if we're looking down here at that, no, let's do voice changer one more time.
Hello. Oh, now we're the monster. That's right. We're the monster. Don't worry. Don't be scared of us. Put your hands in the air if you feel fine. You're gonna get it in a overtime. I can also default.
Default. Okay, that's better. RGB. We get all the colors. We can choose which color do we like more. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it into all the colors. Where's all the colors again? I want all the color. Yeah, there we go. So this is what it sounds like with the noise cancellation off in my room, right? Putting the noise cancellation low. Feels really good. And even with noise cancellation low, feels good. Noise cancellation high. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody knows I'm still alive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Everybody knows that I'm still alive. All right, I finally got it down. We've got all the features here ready to go. Put on some virtual reverb. Of course, we can turn that on really easily just by turning this top knob right here that says reverb. And let's go ahead and turn that down and we can hear it go all the way off. So I want rainbow right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and fly through all of them until we're back at rainbow. And right now we've got these built-in little custom pads for sounds. We can record sounds directly from our phone or Bluetooth or from our voice to these pads. And as you can see right now, if I click on this one, yeah, we get that nice little going through there. If we go ahead and click on this one,
What did I tell you? If you do that to me again, you're gone.
I don't know. What did we tell you if we do that again? So to get this going, all we have to do is hold down the pad. And after we hold it down, it's going to start flashing. Once it starts flashing, we can hit it again. And now it's recording us right now. And if I hit it again, it stops recording us. And let's go ahead and listen to that. You can hit it again. And now it's recording us right now. And if I hit it, yeah, so you can also change your voice.
So if I wanted to do this, I can hold it down. It's going to go ahead and start. Hello, what's going on today? All right.
Default, back to normal. Okay, and now if I hit this button.
Hello, what's going on today? Hello, what's going on today?
Don't ask me why you'd ever want to hear that again, but I can always,
Hello, what's...
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop playing those things right now. Quit it. We're done with those. And before we jump into the Bluetooth, which is going to be the last feature I want to jump on, I actually want to make sure that my Shure SM7B is properly powered when we try it. So this mono condenser does work really, really well, but it is time to try the Shure SM7B. Let's go ahead. Okay, so you can hear for yourself. It seems to be working just fine. And if I turn on the reverb again, we can hear the actual sound of this device. But no, it sounds pretty good. I would say if you have a cloud lifter or some kind of a device that could add a little bit more pump to it, sure, go ahead. But right now, it seems like I am able to keep things at a good volume. The only problem is this is literally the max volume that I can go. I cannot put any more power into this microphone than what I have right now. I have the gain all the way up to the top, and I have my fader all the way to the top right now. And again, this is the max volume that I'm able to get out of this. So it's pretty good. I wouldn't complain about that. And if I start to scream, yeah, if I screamed real loud, it's going to get a little bit in the red, and which we don't want that. So, all right.
Go ahead and find out. No. Go ahead
And find out. Go ahead and
Find out. Go ahead and find out.
find out. Go ahead and
Find out. Okay, there we go. Default back to normal. And so for the last piece here, I want to go ahead and check out the Bluetooth and make sure that's working. Let's check out Bluetooth and make sure that's working. The Monocaster G1 Neo pops right up on my phone. Nice and easy. That's right. Today we're going to listen to some relaxing tunes. And I want you just to pay attention to the sounds as they come in through your speakers. Take a look at what happens when we hit the sidechain button. That's right. You can hear me even better. Doesn't matter. The music can be put up real loud, but you're still going to hear me over everything. That's right. Because sidechain gives me priority. So if I go ahead and hit the sidechain button again, you're going to hear the music overtake back to its normal volume. That's right. there we go, with the music taking over where it's going, and I don't know what to say right now because we're going in the Monocaster biz all night. We got the G1 and the Neo, and I don't have a fright because I know. We're gonna go ahead and get the video ending right now. That's right. Here we go. Show it, 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 show it. So I was using this Onyx thingy over here, but now I'm gonna switch over to this little guy right there. Put this guy back at where it goes in the office. Mute the volume. Check it out, guys. Today we're going to be doing something really amazing. That's right. Something super cool. A video like you've never seen before. Behold your eyes. Open them up and let's go to a place you've never been before. That's right. We're freaking out. We're almost gonna get there. All right, this is the end of the video. Let's go. Close. End it. Bye. No more microphone. That's it. We're turning the microphone off. We're turning the microphone. Turning.
What is happening right now? What is happening right now? Okay, seriously, don't let me get the voice changer. Things get really weird when I get the voice changer. I'm telling you, I don't even know who I become.